basics. It preserves the song's central message, while using fresh will never fade. Hey. Give thanks unto the Lord Most High. His mercy reaches through the sky. Faithful God through every day. Your endless love will never fade. You made the heavens by your hand. You formed the seas, the earth, the land. Every mountain, every shore. Forever you are Lord of all. Every heartbeat, every breath declares your goodness without end. Forever your love endures. Forever your grace is true. From the rising of the sun, Lord, we lift our hearts to you. Forever your love endures. Your mercy never fails. We will sing through every generation. Forever your love prevails. You lit the sun to rule the day, the moon and stars to light our way. Every season speaks your name. Yesterday, today, the same. You led your people through the sea. You broke the chains and set them free. With a mighty outstretched hand, you fulfilled your perfect plan. When we were weak, you carried us. Your faithful love is always enough. Forever your love endures. Forever your grace is true. From the rising of the sun, Lord, we lift our hearts to you. Forever your love endures. Your mercy never fails. We will sing through every generation. Forever your love prevails. You remember when we fall, still you hear us when we call. You provide our daily bread. Every promise you have said. King of heaven, Holy One, Father, Spirit, risen Son. Every nation, every tongue joins the everlasting song. Your steadfast love endures forever. Your steadfast love endures forever. Your steadfast love endures forever. We'll praise your name forevermore. Forever your love endures. Forever your grace is true. Alpha and Omega. There is no one else like you. Forever your love endures. Our hearts belong to you. Every knee will bow before your throne. Lord, we worship only you.